Hi guys, today I'm back with another Shein haul. If you missed my most recent haul, I did do a bikini or swimwear specific Shein haul. That is tough to say. I will link that down below because also in the first portion of that, I go into detail about shipping, quality, customs, all the kind of major questions that you might have. I'm going to chat about it a little bit in this video, but it goes more into detail in that one. So I will link that down below along with any of my previous hauls. And if you enjoy these types of videos, be sure to subscribe, but let's go ahead and get started. So overall, I had a really good experience shipping from them. This time around, I did do the expedited shipping, which I don't think I would do in future. I did end up paying customs on my order, but my boyfriend ordered shortly after I did, didn't pay express, and didn't pay any customs. So it's gonna depend where you live, perhaps how much you order, because his was shipped maybe through Canada Post and mine was through DHL, I think. So that could have been the discrepancy there in terms of customs. So that is kind of a risk we have to take. That being said, there's always coupon codes for the website, so I recommend searching there to lower your price a little bit, and it is already quite fairly priced, I would say. So in general, I had a good experience shipping from their website. It took not that long, just over around a week, I think it was. I have the exact dates in that previous video. My biggest recommendation for shopping on the Shein website is check reviews. Although sometimes online reviews can seem a little bit sketchy, people upload pictures, and I find that to be really, really helpful in making my decisions, because you can kind of see what the material actually looks like, because sometimes some of the pictures, you know, it looks one way and then you see the picture and you're like, oh, it's actually a much stiffer material, or it's a little bit see-through, whatever it may be. They can be really, really helpful. But let's go ahead and get into the items that I purchased. So the first thing that I want to mention is something that I think is great to throw into an order. Oh, if you're curious about this makeup look, everything I'm wearing is listed down below, and I did just film a get ready with me, so that will be listed down below. But these are called the Silica Gel Nipple Covers, and there's two sets of these. These were actually $5.38, but I got them for $4 because I found like a coupon code, and these are so helpful. I purchased these, similar kind of idea, from a drugstore years ago, and I continue to use them. They have not lost their stickiness. I just stick them together and kind of shove them in my bra drawer. I wore these on vacation non-stop because I was wearing like little light tank tops, and I'm not a huge bra girl, honestly. I maybe should be, I don't know. The jury is out on if you should be wearing a bra all the time, but just super helpful. In some clothing, I feel like you can see them through, and it kind of like, you can obviously tell like the circle, but other things are super useful, and just sometimes you just don't care and you just want a little something there. And these are just great, super affordable, because you can't always find them at the drugstore. Sometimes they're at places that are really, really overpriced. I thought they were great. So the first item that I'm going to show you is this kind of really cute lime green crop top. This is the Neon Lime Slim Crop Cami Top. This was $7.53. It is $5.60 is what I paid for it, and I got this in the size medium. For reference, I'm about 5'7". At the time, I was probably 155 pounds. Now that I've been staying home eating chips all day, who knows? But I found this to be a really good fit. I actually really like the material of this. It felt really good quality. It felt thick, and sometimes with these little crop tops, especially where it's hard to wear a bra under them, you want them to have the thickness so you can't see through it, and I thought it was great. But it does have very thin straps, and I've noticed that I'm starting to get a little bit of ripping around the strap, so that's very unfortunate. I did wear it a bunch in Mexico, and I have worn it a bunch, but that being said, I still haven't had it for that long, so that's kind of a bummer. If you do happen to be able to sew, that is something good. You could kind of reinforce those, but the straps are quite thin. Up next, I got this dress, which I thought was going to be a really, really cute kind of transitional item from winter into spring, now that we're not leaving our houses. Maybe a waste, but this is the Color Block Rib Knit Bodycon Sweater Dress without a belt. This was $29, but on sale for $21.60. I got this in a size large. I feel like I could have potentially worn a medium with this, but I had imagined wearing this with tights, over the knee boots. I did actually get to wear this out of the house once before I went away in early February, but I do really like this. I think it is super cute, and I like the combination and color blocking, the look of the mustard. I thought it was really cute, and I definitely will wear this again if I ever get to leave my house. Up next, I risked it on a one-size-fits-all kind of top. This was, again, some of these items were like transitional. A lot of these I picked up for my trip down south. This is the lace-up back ribbed top, and I felt like this definitely did not feel high quality. I mean, obviously none of it is actually high quality, but it just kind of felt I don't know. It's probably the fact that also it's a one size fits all, which is just the most bonkers concept ever. But it definitely, this is not a shirt that I would recommend. The material didn't seem great. It's hard to wear a bra underneath at all, even if you wore the little kind of stick-on things. It just, the material was really thin and it just felt really cheap. So it was kind of a bit of a miss. It was $8.61 and I did get it on sale for $6.40. This next dress I absolutely loved. It's definitely a bit of a different style for me, but at the same time it's very much in my comfort zone. I love off the shoulder, I love midi length. I find that to be very sexy and very flattering on my body type, but the kind of color and the florals were a little bit different for me, but I thought it'd be gorgeous for the summer and great for when I was in Mexico. So this is the Shein off the shoulder fall trim sheared ditzy floral dress, the names. Size medium. This was $26.90 and I used my coupon code. I got it for $20 and I thought that this was great. The quality feels really good. It's got good stretch to it. It's a little bit on the tight side, but it still felt really comfortable because of the stretch. Had no issues with the shoulders falling down or anything like that, and I just thought it was gorgeous. You can kind of dress it up. I wore it out to dinner with heels, but I think you could absolutely wear this with some cute like white sneakers, a jean jacket, and it's really, really gorgeous. So this is definitely one of my favorite things that I got. Another set that I really loved, I love the look of this like athleisure wear, but a lot of the like Adidas, Nike, all that kind of stuff can be incredibly expensive and I don't know how much I'm really gonna wear it. So I really loved the look of this set and I really liked how it actually looked on me, and it's two pieces, so you can wear the top with something, you can wear the bottom with something, you can wear them together, so it's quite versatile. This is the Shein chevron print pullover and striped side skirt set. Oh my god, they're just trying to mess me up there. This is $25. Got it for 19 bucks, which is awesome. Size medium. It fit really good, super comfy, and like I said, I can see myself wearing that together, wearing it separately, and it's something that's a little bit different for me, wearing the matching set, but it felt really comfortable. I wore it that day to and from. I filmed this at a studio. Wore it to and from the studio with just my Converse sneakers, and I thought it looked really cute, especially when you tuck the sweater into the skirt. This t-shirt I really loved. I'm always on the hunt for graphic t-shirts that don't say stupid things, and that can be hard to come by. I really love the look of t-shirts that say things and have people on them, but I can never find the ones that I actually want to wear. And like, I love the look of like a band tee, but I don't like really bands, so it just feels like a bit of a cop-out. But anyways, long story short, this is the Shein leopard print color block tee. They've got a bunch of different items in this style, and when my boyfriend was looking in the men's section, they had similar men's items with the leopard print, which I thought looked great. This is $9.60, but again with the coupon code I got it for $7.20. Size medium. Thought it had a really nice fit. I liked the look of it. It's interesting but not like too bold, and I thought it was really cute. It's just a simple t-shirt, but I did really like this one. Then something else that I kind of thought fit in that sort of athleisure-y, dress it up, dress it down, as cliche as that is, this is the Shein I'm so sorry. I am not talking that much lately, you know, just to film a couple of videos here and there. The Shein letter tape side rib knit pencil dress. I love this minty color. I've gotten a couple of mint things lately and really have enjoyed that. The reason that I like this, firstly, I love that cut of the midi length. I find it super flattering. I thought the shade was different. It's a little bit like these really tight items that have these pastel colors can be a little bit less forgiving than if you were to purchase this in a black. Like, I was tempted to get this in a black or one of the deeper colors. It says love on the side, right? Does it? Which like isn't my favorite, but it's not enough to turn me off from purchasing it. It's like some of the things that they have in text on clothing is just like, that's too aggressive or whatever. Love is like, okay, fine, I can get down with that, but I do love the shape. I love the color. It comes in a bunch of different colors and I think it is really gorgeous. It is quite fitted. I got this in a size medium and it was $23. With the coupon code it was $17. A dress that I didn't love as much. I really love the color. The quality felt good. The fit was actually good. This is the braided strap detail frill trim pleated slip dress in a medium. This was $30, so a little bit higher in price, but $22 with the coupon code. And my issue with this was the neckline. I felt like it could have been lower. It didn't need to be plunging, but it just felt like it was a couple, maybe an inch or two too high, that it just felt like it lacked a little something something. I didn't like the look of it, but I think if you have actually a bigger chest, I feel like this would fit really nicely. And if you're looking to get a little bit of coverage there, I know I've heard that complaint. I'm not somebody that has a bigger chest. I mean, you can wear whatever you want, but I've heard that complaint from some of you before in trying to find things that fit properly. This seems to have a little bit of a higher neckline than normal, and I actually really love the color. It felt really good to spin in it, but the neckline kind of made me not like it as much. An item that I purchased that I have no idea where I'm gonna wear it or anything, but it was just so cool is this next dress. I posted a picture of it on Instagram a little while back. It may be the only place it shows up, but this is the GlamMaker split thigh belted PU, I don't know what that stands for, leather tube dress. This was $48 on sale for $36, so this is my most expensive item. This I got in a size large because it looked a little bit unforgiving, and it definitely is. I'm definitely glad I got the large. The quality doesn't feel the highest, but God, it's super cool. I don't own anything like it. I think it looks really unique. If I have the chance to wear it, I feel like it's gonna be the kind of thing where people are like, ooh, where'd you get it? And I'm gonna be like, Shein baby with a coupon code. But I do really love this. If you know you're doing something for Halloween, it could be super sexy. If you like this kind of like black pleather leather look, I do think it is a really gorgeous kind of statement piece, especially for 36 bucks. This next item is something that I've seen advertised to me on Facebook time and time again. I don't know if someone on my Facebook posted about it and then I just kept getting the ad, but when I was scrolling the website, it popped up and I was like, I gotta get it. I have some kind of drawn to newspaper printed things. I remember redecorating my room a million years ago and wanting this newspaper print bedspread that I never got from Bed Bath & Beyond, I think. So maybe that was me living that dream again. But this is the newspaper print wrap skirt, and what I didn't realize about this was the material. It's similar to the pleather dress, but stiffer. So it literally looks like you have a piece of pleather newspaper wrapped around you, which could be cool if it was like in a stretchy material. I like the idea of like, you know, you just wrapped a newspaper around you and somehow it turned into a gorgeous skirt. But practically, it just did not look good. It was so stiff. Depending on the angle, it was not flattering. I don't know how you'd ever sit in this. Like, it was barely held together. It just felt very unsecure. I felt very vulnerable in it. This I got in a size medium and it fit well, but it was quite tight around the waist. $26 on sale for $20. That being said, I did take pictures in it and it looked really cool. So if you're like a photographer or a model or something, like perhaps it could be good for that. But for the day-to-day, this was not a win. I can't remember if I checked reviews and if people talked about the material. The new items, unfortunately, you're not going to get as many reviews, but it definitely did not look good in person, but I thought it was really cute for a couple of IG photos. So you'll probably see that coming soon to my IG feed. Then another crop that I got, I love like white crop tops, but white clothing it can be tricky. So this is the high neck ribbed crop tee. This again had the same problem as the other white crop top that I mentioned. This was $9.68 on sale for $7.20. I got this in a medium. It actually fit well, but I found the fit was a little bit loose around the bottom, and I prefer it to be like tight to my skin, but also it was more, not see-through, but it definitely, like, you can see I'm wearing a black bra underneath, and when it comes to crop tops, like I was saying earlier, I want it to be thick enough so I don't have to mess around with my undergarments because you already have like less space to work with. So that to me was definitely a letdown. The quality felt a little low on that one. Lastly, I thought that this item looked perfect for a vacation, so fun for the summer, and it ended up looking really cute and I really like it. It is the Shein tie front satin top. I got this in a size small. I'm a little surprised at myself. I don't know if I meant to do that. This was $18 and I got it on sale for $13, but the fit ended up being really nice. I love the color. This came in a bunch of different colors if I'm not mistaken, and I really love this. I wore this with jean shorts. I feel like you could wear it with jeans, with a skirt. It is just a really, really cute top. Beautiful for vacation, but also just really, really nice for the warm months, especially because it comes in so many great colors. So there you have it. That is everything that I picked up from Shein over a month ago now, but let me know down below what you thought of my purchases and if you have tried any of their clothing, and if you'd like a little more information or want to learn about their swimsuits, I will link to my swimsuit haul from a couple weeks ago down below. But thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!